Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Vasavi Virtual Program. This is Satish Kumar, Faculty of Chemistry. Today, we are going to discuss one important topic from carbon and its compounds lesson. The topic name is tetravalency of carbon. My dear students, if you observe the carbon in the periodic table, that is belongs to fourth A group, and as well as the carbon belongs to second period in the periodic table, and the carbon atomic number is 6. When we write electron configuration, it is going to get 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Here 1s2 is belongs to K shell, and as well as 2s2, 2p2 belongs to L shell. Nothing but in the carbon valency shell 4 electrons are present. I can show that with the help of a small diagram. Here you are observing carbon atomic structure. So this is K shell. In the K shell, carbon is having only 2 electrons, that is 1s2, and this is L shell. L shell nothing but valency shell in the carbon. You are observing here 4 electrons. That 4 electrons are coming from 2s2, 2p2. So according to this diagram, I can tell that carbon valency shell is having 4 electrons. To get octet configuration or noble gas configuration, it requires 4 more electrons. That is why carbon atom is going to form 4 covalent bond with the other atoms or as well as similar carbon atoms. So here I am taking one beautiful example to explain the octet configuration of carbon, that is methane. So methane formula CH4. So in the CH4, the central atom is carbon, and you know very well carbon valency electrons are 4. So nothing but you can take 4 dots here, and as well as each hydrogen is giving 1 electron. So 4 hydrogens will give you 4 electrons. So that is why around the carbon you are observing 8 black color dots, nothing but 8 electrons. So in these 8 electrons, 4 electrons are coming from carbon and 4 electrons are coming from 4 more hydrogens. So here you can understand carbon already having 4 valency electrons. To get octet configuration, it requires 4 more electrons. That is why one carbon is sharing its 4 valency electrons with the other 4 hydrogen atoms. So in this process, each hydrogen is giving 1 electron. So 4 hydrogen gives 4 electrons, and as well as one carbon is giving 4 electrons. So totally around the carbon atom, you are observing 4 covalent bonds, nothing but 8 electrons. So one carbon is sharing 4 electrons with the 4 hydrogens, and as well as the carbon is getting a octet configuration. So here very simple meaning is already in the carbon 4 valency electrons are there. To get octet configuration, carbon is forming 4 covalent bonds with the other 4 atoms. So this is called tetravalency of carbon. So very simple children, tetra nothing but 4. So one carbon is forming 4 covalent bonds with the other 4 hydrogen atoms, especially in the CH4 example. So this is known as tetravalency of carbon. I hope you got it, my dear children. Thank you.